Okay, box breakers, pack rippers, welcome back. Our last video got cut off, so this is where we continue. I think we were looking at this Austin Rogers card. Let's see, looks like there's chipping all down the right side. Not sure if it'll pick that up or not, but it's easy on these black cards to see the chipping. It's kind of like the 86 Tops we opened. If you haven't seen that one, go back and check that out. Go back and check out part 1 of our mail bin, straight from the mail bin. Okay, what we did do in between episodes is we opened up all the packages, pre-opened them so we can get them out of there easier, so it won't take as long to cut into them. So we didn't look inside of any of them, so we still don't know what they are. Just made it a little bit easier. So anyway, let's get into those. Here is the first one. This one is from Sterling Heights, Michigan. Okay, some nice packaging. Looks like they took some care with the packaging. Let's double check inside of there, make sure we don't leave anything. Alright, I can see it's a 2018 Allen Ginter relic card, and it's Rizzo with the jersey. God, it's cool. I don't know how much this one was. Probably $5, $10, $15, something like that. But I think this is going to go to a special Cubs fan. Anyway, as far as jersey relics go, that one's really cool. It's got the pinstripe. A lot of them are just pure white or pure gray. We opened up a mini in the first video. We will do a recap of all this when we're done. Justin Verlander. See how boring that one is compared to this one? Awesome. Alright. Next. This one is from Burin, Washington. Okay. Oh, and it's a pack of 2018 Allen Ginter. And this is supposed to be guaranteed relic. It's supposed to be guaranteed relic. Or signature or something special in there. Anyway, I don't know how they know. They must weigh them. So we'll open that one in another video, another episode. Okay. Next, this one is from Shakopee, Minnesota. What do we got here? Looks like another one of those same packs that are supposed to be guaranteed with something good. Let's see what it shows what we paid. Looks like that was $13 for that pack. I think in the store those go for $5 in the store, but this is supposed to have something good in it. Okay, next one is from Rogers, Arkansas. Been there. What do we have? I think we have the complete set of. Let's look. I think this is the complete set of baseball equipment. And so these are one of the inserts, and anyway, I thought that would be nice to just have them all if somebody has them all. I think it was like $5 or something, not very much. Okay, the first one's protected and the last one's protected. But other than that, they're not. Yep, there's our Babe Ruth. We'll put a sleeve on that one. Modern baseball sunglasses. Pitch counter, fungo bat, baseball donut. That looks like a newer one. Modern cleats, vintage cleats, flip up sunglasses. Catcher's chest protector. I bet they were happy about that. Modern baseball. Vintage baseball. Ooh, look at the seams on that. Nice. Modern catcher's mitt. Vintage catcher's mitt. Jeez. May as well just hold on to a pillow. Batting gloves. Haven't seen that one. That's pretty cool. Modern catcher's mask. That looks nice. Early catcher's mask. Better than nothing, right? Jeez. There's your modern bat. There's your vintage bat. There's your modern glove. The catch glove and the vintage glove. So that should be the complete set of those. We'll just we'll set those off to the side for now, but let's put a sleeve on the one I think out of the whole set that's going to be the best one is the picture of Babe Ruth. I don't think anybody's caught on yet. Clearly you see it's Babe Ruth, but right? Comment below, is that Babe Ruth? I think it is. The baseball sweater. Haven't seen the players wearing that one. Alright. Next. This one is from Eagle Rock, California. Oh, we got the Bomb Cyclone with the black variant. Looks like the upper right corner might be dinged a little bit. But that's pretty cool. Let's see what this one costs. $3 and $1 for shipping. So for about the pack of 1 cards, you can pick the card you actually want to get. Alright, next one is from Short Hills, New Jersey. See what we got here. Okay. This guy must have had a lot of them. Full-size relics, full-size relics. I don't know if I bought that Andrew Jones card. This might be the wrong order. It's the wrong order, man. It's the wrong order. That's too bad. I think. Maybe it's not the wrong order. Let's see what's inside here. Potentially they sent me the wrong stuff. Because it's got Raji Davis, I've never heard of, on the back. That could just be a protector card, like a throwaway card. A little bonus for us, let's see. Okay, this is the right one. I think I got this Andrew Jones card for free, I think. Pretty sure. And it's numbered 122 to 150. So that's cool. Doesn't want to focus on it. There he goes. Look at that. Pretty sure that's free. I don't see that on my order sheet. So thank you to Mr. Palmer from Short Hills, New Jersey. Thanks, man. He gave us that one and Reggie Davis. I have no idea. Comment below. Is he somebody I should know? I don't think so, though. Alright, and then the ones we actually paid for. Let's check these out. Oh, nice. Okay. We got Roginski. Who's this? Scott Roginski from the quiz show. I'm sure you guys have seen it. I know I have. What did we get? I think one time we got to the 7th. I think I got to the 7th round. 7th? I don't think we got to the 8th. Maybe we missed the 8th question. Anyway, that's as far as we got. Usually you can go out in the first few. They start off pretty easy and then they get kind of tricky. But that's cool. So we got the blue and then we got the same guy in the white. There's the blue. There's the white. Okay, and then next we have whatever that guy's name is. Anyway, I got that one just because the color on it looked really cool. For the White Sox, Moncada, Johan Moncada. Never heard of him. Very cool. Alright, Jason Hayward for the Cubbies. That one's cool. Another pinstripe. That's why I got that one. Oh, it looks like we got 2 Haywards. So each one of the Haywards were like $3.50 for each one of these. And yeah, these were like $5, $5 or $6. So that's pretty nice. This guy's sitting on these relic cards. Yeah, that's cool. Yep, Jason Hayward. One of those, probably this better one, is going to go to a special Cubbies fan. Okay. Next. This one is from Bellevue, Washington. It's going to be an Allen and Ginter card, I think. Maybe. Yep. Bismarcky. The mini black variant. So let's check this out here. It's a good idea. They put their little marketing right there on the sticker, so I can't throw it away like they usually do. Oh, okay. Let's see. Oh, nice. Nolan Ryan. Method Man. Ooh. Nolan Ryan looks good. So does Method Man. And the Bismarckies. So we'll take those in and we'll have Joe help us look at those under the light and see if any of those might be 10s. We might send the Nolan Ryan in since we're sending out the 86 Topps Nolan Ryan in. If you haven't seen that video, it's worth your watch. 1986 Topps. We get a pack that has Nolan Ryan and Ozzie Smith in it. Well, running over packages. Alright, next one's from Glen Burnie, Maryland. Alright, I remember this one. This is LeBron James. I really wish they would use electrical tape instead of this. Tape just destroys it. Congratulations, you got LeBron James game used. Anyway, this is Rookie Threads, I believe. That's what this card is. And the case is really nice. Alright, we're going to cut it right there. Stay tuned. We'll come right back. Finish this up.